This video tutorial is on how to add different fields for your contacts. In the menu on the left, you're going to scroll down to Contact Create Fields. As you can see, I have some different ones listed here, and we're going to show you how to create one from scratch. You're simply going to click Add a Field, and then you're going to add the field name. The options below are to provide a text area, a drop-down list, a date box with a calendar, or a multiple choice. Now, you can add as many fields as you want into your T.O.M platform. So the more data you have, the better your system is going to work for you. So I highly recommend thinking about as many things as you'd like to know about your average contact. If you sell products, what was the last product that your contact purchased? I have a good example here. If you're a mortgage officer, you want to know what interest rate your client got on their loan. That way, if interest rates drop below that percent, you could message all of your contacts with an interest rate higher, and you could offer them a refinance. If you do sell products, you might want to know the date of the last product purchase. That way you can try and get them on a subscription model, or you know when to reach out because it's probably about time due for them to purchase another product. If you're a real estate agent, you might want to know what type of loan they had, when they closed on their home, all sorts of things. If you are an HVAC company, you may want to know the last time that they were serviced so that you can send a reminder to get serviced at a certain point. Again, the more data that you have on your contacts, the better T.O.M can work for you. T.O.M is a software, and it will read fields based on what's in the box. So if you capitalize a letter once but you don't capitalize it the next time, it may not be able to match those fields. So I highly recommend using drop-down answers as often as you can. So for instance, if you were to do loan type, you can write FHA, conventional, cash. And now you've added that field type, you can click Create Field. Now, as you see, as I navigate over to contacts, if I were to create a new contact and scroll down, you can see that now that loan type field is in all of my contacts. You may not always use it, but it's always good to have it there as an option. That is how you create different fields and track more data for your contacts inside of T.O.M.